Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to add a profile picture on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. Now, tap your name at the top to open your profile section. Tap the circle where your profile picture will appear. Then, tap the gallery. Choose a photo from your gallery. Adjust the image and tap Done. That's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp profile picture. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.